The AT&T call failed error is a connectivity issue that prevents successful voice or video calls on AT&T's network. This error manifests as messages like "call failed" on your device. In 2026, it was linked to network congestion, software glitches, 5G rollout challenges, and hardware incompatibilities. Fixes in 2026 have centered on software updates and network optimizations. AT&T addressed the call failed error through several key updates in 2026. A major software update, version 26.1.0, was deployed to core network routers to fix a bug causing call drops. Additionally, 5G network expansions were optimized to reduce interference. An in-app diagnostic tool was also launched to help users report errors in real time. The call failed error often stems from problems establishing a connection through signaling protocols like SIP over LTE or 5G networks. One major cause is network congestion. During peak hours, AT&T's radio access network becomes overloaded, causing latency spikes and connection failures. Another root cause is outdated software. Bugs in device firmware or AT&T's servers disrupt signaling and authentication processes. Hardware incompatibility is another factor. Some modems or devices lack proper support for AT&T's protocols, leading to errors. Finally, SIM card authentication failures occur when security protocols like EAKA fail, preventing device verification on the network. While AT&T works on network-side fixes, there are troubleshooting steps you can take yourself. First, ensure your device's software is up to date. Over-the-air updates often contain vital fixes for connectivity issues. Second, check your device's compatibility with AT&T's network. Some devices may need specific configurations. Third, report any recurring errors using the AT&T app's diagnostic tool. This helps identify persistent issues in your area. AT&T is increasingly using AI for predictive maintenance to reduce call failed errors. In 2026, AI-driven anomaly detection played a key role, reducing error incidents by 40%. The future envisions AI autonomously resolving issues before users even notice them, further minimizing disruptions. As 5G technology matures, call failures are generally decreasing. The transition to 6G may introduce new challenges, but AT&T plans to use hybrid 5G/4G fallbacks to maintain reliability. User-friendly apps with built-in fixes and virtual assistants are also on the horizon for even easier troubleshooting. The February 2024 outage affected 70,000 users across the country with widespread call failures. AT&T addressed this in 2026 by redeploying thousands of routers with patched software, significantly reducing recurrence. In rural areas suffering from weak signals, AT&T implemented satellite boosters to improve connectivity. This targeted fix dropped error rates dramatically, ensuring reliable service even in remote locations. Compatibility issues with the iPhone 15 were quickly resolved through a beta firmware update from AT&T. This partnership approach ensured high-resolution rates for affected users within weeks. These real-world examples demonstrate AT&T's dedication to implementing scalable solutions that address diverse challenges across their network. According to J.D. Power's 2026 U.S. Wireless Network Quality Study, AT&T's call success rate improved to 98.5%, up from 94% in 2025, ranking it second globally. FCC data shows 45% fewer reported call failures in 2026 compared to 2025, with 80% attributed to proactive fixes. Experts emphasize the importance of AI, infrastructure improvements, and user education for continued network reliability and consumer trust. Craig Moffett, telecom analyst at MoffettNathanson, states that AT&T's 2026 fixes are a blueprint for the industry, blending AI with infrastructure to combat errors that cost billions in lost productivity, with economic losses dropping 30% in 2026. FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr praised AT&T's transparency, stating these fixes ensure consumer trust in an era of increasing digital reliance. Consumer Reports tech expert Jim Fisher notes that user education on updates is key, with AT&T's 2026 diagnostics tool reducing support tickets by 50%, while warning of future risks from cyber threats targeting networks. These insights highlight that while fixes are effective, ongoing vigilance is needed as networks evolve.